This is a video to show you how to connect to the Crestron Air Media controller. Today we're doing so from Ward Shipment 31, which is a light classroom. And in this instance, what you're going to want to do is power on the projector by pressing this button. And as long as we have no connectors in these ports, then the Air Media feature will automatically be selected. If you're using one of the Air Media controllers in a smart classroom and there is a touch panel control there, you're going to power on the projector and simply select the wireless AV input source. That will bring you to this image being projected on your screen. Now the part we want to concern ourselves is with this code in the bottom corner. So there are a couple of ways we can connect. If we're going to be using our laptops, then we're going to enter the provided IP address, bear with me as I get my computer set up here, into our URL bar on the computer. So we're going to enter that there, and we're going to select Go. And this is going to bring us to the Air Media site where we can hit Start Presenting. Now the first time that you come in here, it's going to prompt you to download software. So we're going to go ahead and do that. Save the file. And here it is. We can just double click to open that file. And it will launch momentarily here. So there's our Crestron Air Media. We're going to open that. Again, you'll only need to download the application the first time. After that, you can just find it in your application folders. So give that a moment to open up. You can see it bouncing in the bottom. Okay, and to an Air, well, we don't need to worry about that. It's not just a Mac message. It'll still give us the full. So now we're going to click the Air Media in the bar system up here. So this is in the Mac system. You're going to click this Air Media. And we're going to find that code that we typed in. And we're going to type in the password. And the password is this code on the screen. Now the IP address will stay the same, but the code of 2335 will change every time we log in. So we're going to enter 2335 and click OK. And you'll see that we are now about to project wirelessly the contents of our laptop onto the screen. There it is. So there's my laptop wireless connected to the screen. Now to turn this off, because I'm going to show you how to do it on my tablet, we're just going to turn off AirPlay, and that's going to disconnect me from the screen. On your tablet or phone, what you're going to want to do first of all is download the Air Media app before you arrive into the classroom. So once you have that downloaded, you're going to open it up. Again, we're going to type in the address there. We don't need the HTTP that's on the screen, you just want the numbers. And we're going to go ahead and hit the return button. And then we're going to click down here to present with Air Media. And now on an Android device, this will be sufficient, but on an Apple device, you're going to need to swipe down to get your control, hit screen mirroring, select that same IP address. Now we're going to be prompted for that code, and again, it's a different code this instance, 3570. So we're going to type that in, 357, oops, I think I did a 9, yep, 0, and click OK. And now you can see that we are, let me just get this a little clear, sharing the contents of my tablet wirelessly in the room. So in order to stop sharing, we're going to swipe down for the Mac and click to stop mirroring. And then when you're done, you can go over and power off the projector either on the smart panel or on this low room panel by clicking the power button. One caveat though is please ensure that you stop mirroring your images when you leave the room. It's not Bluetooth based but Wi-Fi based, so it will continue to share the content of your device as long as you're on the UMB Wi-Fi. So you do want to make sure that you most definitely disconnect from the device when you leave the room. So that's how to use the Crestron Air Media wireless displays.